Do scientists think alien contact will bring global spiritual reorientation? Surprisingly, many do. To explain how this ET myth has come about, remember that there were 6 major historic religion-bashing myths that left a significance gap that people are now filling with ET Enlightenment, which is a myth as imaginative worldview-shaping narrative. Here's an example of the ET myth as worldview shaper. A book published by NASA, after mentioning the Copernican demotion, says perhaps it's time for a promotion. How so? Undirected cosmo-cultural evolution that produces cosmically significant intelligence. The writer also says this intelligence in the cosmos may be of unlimited significance. Now, this is the most remarkable trade-in offer in the history of popular science. We give up Copernican demotion. What do we get back? ET Enlightenment, when we receive the wisdom accumulated over billions of years of cosmo-cultural evolution. This imaginative story says any ET that could make the vast journey to Earth would have to have technology so advanced that it would be indistinguishable from magic. That indistinguishable from magic bit comes from science fiction, by the way. But this ET story also includes the idea, often by many authors, that ET would also be highly evolved in terms of moral and spiritual insights that would trigger global religious reorientation. Curiously, Christianity is sort of the odd man out and is considered the one that would be most defeated by ET contact because these storytellers are repulsed by the idea of God taking on human flesh and dying and rising only on Earth. Skeptic Michael Shermer writes, "Any sufficiently advanced extraterrestrial intelligence is indistinguishable from God." That's right, you heard me. He thinks the most advanced ET will be godlike. Richard Dawkins has the same view. So godless, naturalistic philosophy, dressed up as science, expects godlike ET to show up. How ironic. This looks like a naturalistic God delusion.